What you should do if he doesn't answer your messages. A mature woman understands that insistence is not always the best decision. Many girls approach and ask for advice because they do not know what to do when their partner or the guy they are interested in does not respond to their messages. Without a doubt, the technological era is very convenient in terms of immediate communication, but at the same time, it has complicated social relations to the point of making them impossible. A clear example of this is text messages, a quick and easy way to meet someone but also a way of falling into evasion. Now it has become customary to evade, ignore or simply disappear before the other person, leaving the relationship or intentions unfinished. Now, this is very common and I am sure that it has happened to all of us even once in a lifetime, but that does not take away the obvious sense that if it is happening, it is because you are not relating to the right person. As simple as accepting that if the other person does not respond, it is because they do not want to. It's a little painful to accept, but it's better than being hooked on someone who just doesn't look the same as you do. To get to understand all this, it is necessary to see the situation with maturity and always see that it is best to give us the place we deserve and want for ourselves. Therefore, I share what a mature woman does when a man does not respond to her messages. 1. Does not feel more affected than normal. That's right, taking things easy is the first thing you should do. It is a bad habit for many girls to fall into despair and assume the worst, just because a boy does not respond to her messages. Okay, feelings and pride may feel a little hurt, but nothing more. You should not feel affected as to your self-esteem or self-worth. If the other person does not want to interact, they might have their reasons and it is not your fault. 2. Does not become insistent. If they don't answer a message, you can understand that something happened and it's not a big mess, but when he does not answer you 10 messages, then the signal is pretty clear. Girls, let's not give the power and satisfaction to a person who doesn't know how to value us, to feel more important than he really is. Avoiding insistence is something you should always keep in mind and that I promise you, will be the best decision. 3. Talk about the subject without falling into reproaches. Now, let's say you need an explanation or just interact with this person again. If you have enough maturity, you can deal with the issue calmly and security in yourself, instead of falling into claims that will only elevate the other person's ego. The right thing is to make a neutral decision. If you do not have a relationship with the other person and you feel that the interest is not the same on their part, you just have to choose between continuing to wait for him to take you seriously or start taking yourself seriously and just finish things kindly. 4. Act normally and without losing your calm. Starting to send messages claiming, posting painful states on Facebook or blocking the person from all your social networks is not the best way to deal with the matter. The most important thing is the decision not to continue falling into the person's game and have the will to fulfill it. It is not necessary that you do a total drama, just do not look for him again and you will see how he only understands that something he is doing wrong. Of course, the result will be 2. A. Reconsiders and treats you as you deserve. B. He will not do anything to change his way of being. It is up to you to decide from there, but remember that this will happen almost immediately if he is really interested in you. If not, he will simply look for you whenever he wants, which is not the best. So you know, girls, a mature woman is not disturbed by people or situations that do not matter or are irremediable. Overcoming and advancing to better things will always be the best decision. If you want to learn what you should do if he doesn't answer your messages, click or tap the link on or below this video to download my free ebook, Why Men Lose Interest.